to replace the compass. Believe it or not, this needed to be replaced. I don't know, went like that. But this is then this size is like a $250 compass. But I was able to get one that's 3 inches instead of 4 inches for $70 instead of like $250, or at least $200. Sounds fine. Anyway, so I am going to take this, which is it's a ceiling cover plate found at Home Depot, $2.78, something like that. I'm gonna carve a 3-inch hole on the inside to put in here to cover the outside of the hole for the 4-inch one, so that I can save myself about $100. So here we go. Ta-da! Thanks, Dremel Tool. You're my best friend. Like a glove. Perfect. And now this doesn't quite.
It's a little more off the side.
So this is the hole. We're going to replace the compass funness. This is my piece that I carved out. The holes were not wide enough to actually catch anything. I have to drill some on the outside of this. Little screws here. What screw will it be? Oh, gee workers, I don't know. Should be that one? Why? Yes. By golly, I think that'll work. Always hitting my something on something. we have a 3-inch opening. Let's go get our compass and we'll screw that in. Making sure to get my neoprene spacer there. Very nice. Very nice. And probably, I'm gonna be smart, pre-drill these holes. Remember, never tighten under power. Come back with a screwdriver. Plus these will need to just be tightened enough to compress this to keep it waterproof, to keep the gasket squished in between there, but not so tight that we tear out the plastic. But that's it. And right now we are headed about 200 degrees south-southwest.